came across this rather cool looking RGB 3D lamp, and when I seen it I just knew I had to make a video on it. This one here, well, it's not in here, it's behind me over there, but this is the box, and here's some B-roll. Hey, what's up, Adil here, bringing you back another video after a very long break. I've been away for 8 months and this is my first video back, so if I'm a little rusty, then please bear with me guys, I'll be up to speed in no time. Anyways, I was looking on Amazon and I came across this RGB 3D lamp or illusion lamp and really caught my attention. Now, it's not like I've never seen these kind of lamps before, but when I seen this particular model, the castle design, it reminded me of the Sultan's castle from Aladdin, and I just knew I had to pick it up for around £24 here in the UK at the time I purchased this, which is around $30 for a similar model in the US. And at the time of making this video, or editing it I should say, this was reduced down to £17.50, which is just typical of me buying something and the price going down afterwards, but hey, what the hell, whatever. All them words in one shot. So in the box you do get the base of the lamp, which has a nice cracked paint like design on it. You also get a IR blaster remote, which you can change 7 different colors from, also change the different modes and turn this lamp on and off. And also you get the see-through plastic acrylic, which has some kind of protective film on both sides. Before I made this video I kind of took both of them off. So that's that. And you also get the provided power cable, or it's just a standard USB to micro USB cable, which you can power from pretty much anything, your laptop, your PC, the mains, or even a power bank. The choice is yours. And let's not forget that user manual, which is so fantastic. It's just me being sarcastic, by the way. Now, the lamp can also be powered by 3 AAA batteries, which are just located at the bottom of the lamp, which is I think super convenient, because if you want this to be completely wireless, then you're going to need that wireless approach to it, where you have the IR blaster and no wires dangling around. I wish they included a charging kind of battery, which is already in the base of the lamp, which is inbuilt, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. But I suppose on this occasion I'll kind of give them a mark. That was just, that doesn't work. Now, if you just want an ordinary lamp, which is around anywhere £15 to £20 here in the UK, you might as well pick one of these up. It's pretty cool and unique at the same time. You can control it with the remote provided, so you can change between 7 different colors, have different modes switching from color to color, or even have this on or off with the power of a single remote in your hand. So no more getting out of bed. You can use it as a bedside lamp, and you can just turn it off and on from your bed, and that will solve any problems trying to knock water over in the night, or coffee, or whatever you have lying around on your bedside unit. You can also use it in your living room to wow some friends, or even make it a part of your desk or gaming setup, which will make it look absolutely fantastic. This, like I said before, can be powered with the USB cable provided, or with the 3 AAA batteries, which are not provided, which is a kind of a bummer, but obviously you're not going to get batteries at this price point. You just have to put 3 AAA batteries in and off on your way. You are, mate. Now, in terms of quality for the lamp, everything is made out of plastic. The remote is plastic, the base is plastic, and of course you have the plastic acrylic, which just slots into the base. With a simple button you can just change color. As you can see, it's gone to red, green, blue, and obviously you have your options. I kind of like this teal kind of look, or you can go with a nice purple or blue or whatever suits you. I'll just leave it there. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this video. Hope you guys found this helpful. It was my first video in 8 months, so if things are not in place, if the shots are kind of rubbish, then please guys don't murder me on that, because that would be too extreme for my first video back in 8 months. Well, that's it for this video guys. If you think after seeing this video, you know what, this lamp is actually pretty cool, then I've actually left a link for you down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link. So if you do purchase this, which will cost you no extra than any other way you purchased it from Amazon, I'll get a small kickback, which will make me bring some awesome videos for you guys in the near future. Also, if you have any suggestions or any other products that you want me to review from Amazon or have a look at before you buy them, then do drop them down in the comments below and we can start a friendly conversation. You know, I like to interact with other people and see what they use. So if you use anything like this lamp, then do let me know. I'd love to see that in the comments below, and we can make a community and a chat and make some friends. Anyways, that's it from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to give a like down below. I appreciate that so much, because it's my first video back and I really want to get them thumbs ups. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos coming your way. And my friends, this is no illusion, it's the truth. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.